Hello everyone. Welcome to PNN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a fillable form in Google Docs. Now, you might be wondering, why would you even want to create a fillable form in Google Docs? Well, whether you're aiming to collect feedback, gather contact details, or set up a quick survey, fillable forms simplify this process enormously. They can save you time and effort by making data collection streamlined and organized. Plus, the best part is, you don't need any advanced skills to set it up. It's straightforward and quick. So, let's get into it, and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, you need to open your web browser. Once it's open, type in docs.new. This is a quick shortcut to create a brand new blank Google Doc. It's like having a fresh canvas ready for you to work on immediately. With your new document open, the very first task is to add a title. Consider what your form will be used for, perhaps as a feedback form or a contact info sheet. After deciding on a suitable title, highlight it. You can use the toolbar to bump up the font size and make it bold. For a polished look, center align your title using the Align Center button. This gives your document a professional appearance right from the start. Next up, let's create spaces for text inputs where people can fill in their details. Start by typing a label, such as name or date. After each of these labels, you'll want to create a line where respondents can type their answers. Navigate to the Insert menu, located at the top of your screen, and choose Horizontal Line. This action will insert a neat line beneath each label, making it clear where users should type. Continue this process for any other text fields you want, like email or phone number. Now, if you have questions where you'd like to provide a set of predefined choices, adding drop-down menus is a great option. Type your question, such as, "What is your favorite color?" Then, return to the Insert menu. Choose Drop-down and click on New Drop-down. Here, name your drop-down, perhaps as colors, and list each option, such as red, blue, and green. It's a good idea to include a Please Select option at the top to guide users. Once you finish adding your options, click Save, and voila! A drop-down menu will appear in your document. If you want users to select multiple options from a list, checkboxes are the way to go. Write out your question, for instance, which activities do you enjoy? And then list each activity on a separate line, like reading, hiking, and cooking. Highlight all the activities and find the checklist icon in the toolbar. It looks like a checklist with a check mark. A simple click will convert each line into an item with a checkbox. Finally, for larger text entries like comments or feedback, type a label, such as comments, go to Insert, select Table, and choose a single cell. This action will create a small box that you can resize by dragging its corners. It provides plenty of space for longer responses, giving users the freedom to express their thoughts in detail. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've constructed a fillable form in Google Docs that is both effective and user-friendly. Feel free to play around and customize it further to suit your needs. With this tool, you have a versatile and functional document ready to use. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to create a fillable form in Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to create a fillable form in Google Docs, subscribe to our channel PNN Online.